In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a meta-object definition. By the end, you'll know how to set up a meta-object, add entries to it, link it to a product, and display it on your storefront using your theme customizer. Think of meta-objects as reusable, structured content, perfect for things like product highlights, feature lists, or rich content you want to keep consistent across multiple products. We'll start in your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then go to Custom Data. Switch to the Meta-Objects tab and click Add Definition. Give your meta-object a clear descriptive name. Product Highlights works well if you're showcasing top features. Next, click Add Field to define the pieces of content you'll store. You can mix and match field types like image for visuals, single-line text for short titles, and multi-line text for longer descriptions. Choose the types that match how you plan to use this content. A quick tip: use field names that are easy to recognize later, especially if you'll have multiple entries. When your structure looks right, click Save to finalize your definition. Now let's add real content. Head to Content in your admin, then choose Meta-Objects. Select the definition you just created. Click Add Entry, and you'll see the fields you set up earlier. Fill them in, upload images, add headings, and write clear, concise descriptions that match your brand voice. If your meta-object is meant to be reused across products, keep the content generic. If it's tailored to a specific product, be precise. When everything looks good, click Save to store that entry. Next, we'll link your meta-object to a product and display it on your store. Go to Products and open the product you want. Scroll to the metafields section on the product page. There, select the new meta-object you created to link this product to that content. With the product linked, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the Theme Customizer, add a new section or block where you want this content to appear. Many themes let you connect content using dynamic sources. Look for the dynamic source icon next to a setting like an image, heading, or text. Select the meta field that corresponds to your meta-object fields. Map each part: image to image, title to single-line text, and description to multi-line text, until the preview shows your content exactly how you want it. Click Save when you're done. That's it. You've created a meta-object, added entries, linked one to a product, and displayed it on your storefront with dynamic content.